What is up? My name is Spencer and this is American Electrician. On today's video, we're going to be talking about some of my everyday carry drill bits and also just some essential drill bits and fastener bits that you'll need as an electrician, or just some things that I have found useful. Some of them you've probably seen and some of them may be a little bit different. If you're new to the channel, welcome. On American Electrician, we do electrical how-tos as well as gear reviews such as hand tools, power tools, and tool bags. So if that's something you guys are interested in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. But for now, let's get started. First up is my everyday carry bag. This goes with me everywhere. It's always in my backpack. And if you guys haven't seen that video of my everyday carry, I'll leave a link in the description. But for now, let's get into this drill bag. So first, I have this bit holder from Hazette. It just accepts 1/4-inch shanks here. It's very comfortable, and it kind of just allows any of these to turn into a screwdriver just in case I need that. But that's the first thing. And then we'll start over here on this left side. This is a 1/4-inch drill bit here with the 1/4-inch quick connect, and I do not carry a drill with me every single day, just depending on what I'm doing. So I like to have that 1/4-inch connect on anything I carry daily, so that if I need to, I can just hop in, throw it in my impact, and get whatever I need to be done. This is a 3/16, and then from there I keep a 2-inch Milwaukee Phillips #2, #1 square. I think this is from Wiha. An 1/8-inch drill bit. This is mostly just for pre-drilling sheet metal screws or something like that, depending on what kind of screws they are and what they're going into. A 6-inch extension. I think this is from Irwin. And then on this side we have this. This is called a harpoon. It's just skinny in the middle. I've only really needed it a couple times, but Wiha makes it, and it kind of helps you get into places where a fatter bit won't fit. We have a #2, a 6-inch #2 from Wiha. And then this right here is a Bosch all material bit. So this goes through just about anything. And if I have to put in like 1 or 2 Tapcons and I don't have my drill with me, then this is usually what I use with my impact. It goes through concrete, a tile, metal. I mean, it goes through anything. So it's kind of nice just to have this and to not have to bring in a hammer drill or a drill of any type if I've literally just got to, if I've just got to put in 1 Tapcon or one something like that. So it really is nice to have something like that. And then in my field, we don't run into wood too often, so I've got 1 1/2-inch self-feeding paddle bit. All right, next in the middle here, just some things that I don't want to use. I don't want to put in these slots to tear them up. This is a 1/2-inch drill bit with the 1/4-inch connect on it. 3/8 drill bit. These here are my 832 and my 632 drilling and self-tapping bits. Those are the two that are, an 832 is the screws that you use to go into a box, and the 632 are device screws, so anything like outlets, switches, anything like that. So every now and then they'll get clogged up and you'll have to rim them out. So this is what I use for that. And finally, these nut drivers here, these are all of the Wiha color-coded drivers, and it goes from 9/16 to 1/4-inch. So I have my 9/16, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16 here in the yellow, 1/4-inch in the red, and then 1/2 inch in the orange. And so these are great. These are like fantastic nut drivers, really quality. The magnet's super strong on them, and they have done me well so far. It's really nice to have a longer nut driver versus the short ones that you get from the Milwaukee sets. So that is my everyday carry. Alright, this next one right here, just real quick, is a bit holder. Obviously I don't carry everything with me because I have most of the bits that I use in my bag every day with me, so these are just some spares, some extra tips and stuff like that. So as you can see, I changed the layout of it quite a bit and have all of these sticking up and then have my longer stuff over here. But for the most part, I keep all of my fastener bits in my bag with me. And then this one here, I marked it with yellow tape so I can remember what's what, because these all do go into a pack out, and so it's nice to just know what's what. Alright, this here is my main drilling box. I've got a bunch of stuff in here, and a couple of these hole saws here. This is 1.5 inch, 1 1/8, and then this one here I believe is 7/8. Yes, and this one's got the arbor in it, and then I've got the other arbor right here, and that's just every now and then you got something that you need to drill into. I've got the rest of the hole saw kit, but if I don't have to bring it in, I don't like to. And then from here on out, 3/16, 1/8 inch, and I also have 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/8 drill bits in here, not with the quick connect shaft. These are just with the regular drilling shaft. So if I bring my drill in, I bring this kit in here too. Now we're down here to the nitty-gritty, the other stuff that's kind of random. We have some more of these drilling self-taps, and this is a 1032. I have a 1224 as well, and then this here is a 1/4 inch drill self-tap bit, which is nice for random stuff that you don't have to drill it and tap it. I do have a longer carbide tipped drill bit for drilling into concrete. This is a 3/4 hole saw, carbide tipped hole saw, so it's great for panels, stainless steel, that type of thing, tougher material. And it's actually not 7/8, it's 1 1/8 inch, which fits a 3/4 connector in it. This here is also a 1024 drill and self-tap here, so that I've got this Allen key here that is used for those arbors. This one is a funky one, and I had somebody give one to me as a gift one time. Just kind of, he was laying around, he's like, here, you can have it, and I thought I would never use it, and then I cut a 4-inch IMC pipe into a panel, and I kind of had to adjust it a little bit, and so this is what I used to kind of waller out the hole a little bit. And this is just a file, pretty much. It's just a, I can't remember the actual term for it right now, but it's just a rasp. That's what it is. It's just a rasp. Throw it in your drill and it spins and just takes off chunks. You need it. And then last but not least is a step bit. This is my 1 1/8 inch Diablo step bit, and it does have the quick connect on it. Super useful bit, especially in the commercial and industrial field. Now last but not least, depending on where you're at, I have this case here full of wood bits, and all of them are self-feeding. Some of them are these auger bits here, and some of them are the paddle bits, or the spattle bits, whatever you want to call them. I've had a set of the Diablos. I've had a set of the Bosches. I don't think it makes a difference. I think they're both a great set, so that's just the set that I ended up picking up. Also got this wooden nail. So this is to eat nails pretty much. So if you're going through a stud, you keep hitting nails, this is going to be great. It's going to help stop some of that blow to your wrist. You won't get thrown as much, hopefully, but this will help eat that nail. All right, that wraps up drill bit accessories. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you guys have anything that you like to carry that I don't, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I would love to hear about it. Always love to hear about new things that would make my job easier. I appreciate it, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.